Hello students, next we will see how the input impedance of the amplifier increases with the voltage series negative feedback. Okay, so first ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣಂತೆ. Okay, so ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ in amplifiers, okay, multi-stage amplifiers, right? So high input impedance or in any amplifier, okay, high input impedance is desirable as it avoids loading effect on the preceding stages or input voltage source. Okay, input voltage source. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಂಪಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ 100% ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪವರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್, ನಾಟ್ 100%, maximum power will be transferred from one stage to another stage or with less power loss. Okay, so that is the importance of having high input impedance. Okay, so in the same diagram, the block diagram, that is voltage series negative feedback diagram. So here In is input current, Vi is input voltage to basic amplifier, Vs is source voltage to amplifier system. The amplifier system के input voltage source. Vf is feedback voltage. Vo is output voltage. Beta is feedback factor. Okay. So generally, what we can do, the input impedance of a basic amplifier can be defined as ZO is equal to, Zin is equal to, right, input voltage by input current, that is to the basic amplifier. Okay, Vin by In. Yavaga for the basic amplifier without any feedback, then we take this as Zn is equal to Vin by In. Let ZIF be the input impedance of the amplifier system, amplifier with feedback. Okay, with the negative feedback. Then how we can define this? Implies ZIF is equal to ಏನಂತ ಬರೆಯುವುದು, input voltage to the system by input current. Okay, so input voltage to the system is Vs. Then what is the input current? In. Vs by In. Let it be equation 2. Okay. In negative feedback. Okay. So this we already know what happens in the negative feedback technique. Vi is equal to Vs minus Vf. Okay. Vi is equal to Vs minus Vf. Therefore, Vi is equal to Vs minus Vf is what? Since Vf is equal to beta into V0, we replace this one as beta into V0. Okay, Vs minus beta with a known term, V0 can be written as A into Vi, since this, okay, since A into Vi. Therefore, we rewrite this one for Vs. Vs is equal to Vi plus A beta into Vi. Let it be third equation. Substitute. Okay, this one is third equation. Substitute equation 3 in equation we get, so what we get, ZIF is equal to equation 2 implies, ZIF is equal to, in place of Vs, let us write Vi of 1 plus A beta, correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿ Vi ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೋದು, by In. So In. From equation 1, what we can write? Vi by In is from equation 1, Vi by Zin is Vi by In is Zin into 1 plus A beta. Okay. So it declares, this implies that input impedance of the amplifier increases by a factor of 1 plus A beta. Okay, so ಎಷ್ಟು increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ input impedance, it increases by a factor 1 plus A beta. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ Zin is impedance of the basic amplifier or without feedback, that is multiplied by 1 plus A beta factor means what? Obviously ZIF is greater than Zin, means what? With feedback is, impedance with feedback is greater than impedance without feedback. Therefore, input impedance of the amplifier with a negative feedback, that is voltage series negative feedback, increases. Okay, this is the conclusion.